Thank you so much for joining in on another Coco and the Muse video. Don't forget to hang out till the end to watch our silly antics that don't go in. So good morning, guys. Today we are going to do a makeup tutorial, kind of a makeup tutorial. Coco is a professional makeup artist and I am a makeup novice. This is what I do to my face every day, okay? I do it in about 7 minutes. If it takes longer than 7 minutes, it's not getting done. And she takes a little bit longer.
Yeah, I love makeup and I love doing my makeup. It's relaxing.
Getting ready side by side together. I don't know if this is gonna get complicated or confusing, but we thought it would be really fun.
She'll probably be making fun of me.
No. Yes!
We're gonna do this makeup today.
Basically, this is gonna be bougie makeup. I highly doubt we're gonna find any drugstore makeup here in Coco's arsenal. Not bougie tired. She wants us to match. So they are not gonna do anything except make it look like I have donkey ears. That's so
appropriate.
Cute.
I enjoy my coffee and putting on my makeup.
And I enjoy my coffee in the morning, and I do not enjoy putting on my makeup.
If I'm gonna be doing stuff all day, this is Bobbi Brown Mattifying Primer because I don't like to get shiny around my nose area.
And all I do is I put a little of the Dr. Brandt's Pores No More. Okay, we took a little break because our food came.
The next step I do always is I put a little luminosity on my skin. I really think you should incorporate this in your beauty regimen.
Nope. Nope, nope.
But look at the radiance in the skin.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that pretty? So I'm done with radiance. So I always do my
You do your foundation next? Because when I'm doing this on my eyes, then I'm messing up my foundation. Oh, I'm losing my ears.
But if I was doing a really heavy smoky eye,
yeah,
I would maybe do my foundation later.
I'm just using a natural light mineral powder and a natural dark mineral powder as a base for my eyes. That's it. So I just put that on. It covers up all my veins and weirdness.
And I'm just using MAC Water Weight SPF 30 foundation, which I like it. It's buildable, so I don't have to have a lot of coverage. I have to watch this video twice if they want to do it like you do it or do it like me do it, because they can't. They have to see we're doing it different. Does that make sense?
I don't think anybody's gonna want to copy me though.
90% of the women do their makeup like you.
Nah.
Yes.
All the tutorials that I see, it seems like even the natural look, there's so much makeup.
But who's doing it? Makeup artists.
I know.
Not,
Oh, that's true.
Not your everyday.
So now what are you doing?
I'm doing my concealer next.
Okay. So what I do is I just take the darker, because I have very hooded eyes. I actually do this right at my crease line. And then I just go into this little crease. Neat, neat. Done.
I am just putting my concealer on.
Oh my God, still?
So I'm bringing my concealer down a little ways on my cheek. I just want it to look just a little lighter in here. Now I'm going to move on to, I use a special eyelid primer because as I've gotten older, my eyelids get oily. And so my eyeshadow creases.
I would probably just tap it with something if I saw it. Now I'm just using a medium. I'm actually using the Too Faced. I actually have some cool eyeshadow. You know why? Because Coco bought it for me. With my eyeball open. Because I have found if I close my eyes, I'll put it way lower.
Now I'm going to set my powder. I made my foundation.
That's like so much work. So now I just take the darker one. I have to spread my eyes out because
my
they're
bronzer
old.
palette. This is what I use for bronzer.
Oh, that's pretty. What is that?
It's an old.
Oh, you have something
discontinued.
old? See, she's been making fun of me because my makeup is as old as I've been wearing makeup.
I will pick you up one because I love you.
Okay.
I always take my bronzer down here. And I'm always a lot lighter here.
I know, my neck is lighter too.
So I kind of bring my bronzer down. But
I don't want to know what this tissue
I
is
believe that since I used this Flawless Filter Illuminating, I think that I have a really pretty glow going here.
You do have a pretty glow. I don't have a glow. So my eyes are pretty much done.
I haven't even started, but I'm almost done with my skin altogether.
Okay. So I have this Bobbi brown. I just put that where I'm really red. And because I have learned over the years to blend paint on walls, that's what I do. I put 2 paints on and I blend them. I thought, why not do that with my makeup? I just put the dark on the outside, the light on the inside. Then I take my nasty sponge that Nicole was giving me a hard time about.
So I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk blush. And I just put that over my cheeks where my bronzer was.
How do you put your foundation on?
I put mine on with a brush.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, or sometimes if it's a thicker foundation, my foundation was very watery. So I use a brush. If it's a thicker foundation, like the one you're using here, which is thicker, I use my beauty blender.
What is that?
Highlighter.
More highlighter?
Love me some highlighter. So I just use a little bit. This is a Lancome highlighter. I just found it. And I just go right here. And I always put it on my nose. And Tiffany's like, what on the nose?
I don't have a glow.
I think I'm pretty much done with that. I'm gonna do my brows.
It's a...
So I just used a brow gel that has fibers in it.
So this is where I go in and do my highlighter. It's a Too Faced Candlelight. And I kind of do the same thing. I just go right here, a little on my nose, and right there. Then I take the same stuff I used on my eyes, and I contour a little bit. Do you contour?
No.
You don't?
Well, I put my bronzer on and it has a tendency to contour.
And I want my nose thinner, so I always do this. Because Nicole has a nice thin nose. I don't. And I'm done. My mole. It disappears when I but mine's natural, yours isn't.
That is bull-loney. She went and got hers done after I had mine done.
I did.
Years ago. Now I'm gonna go in and do my shadow.
So I'm gonna use the same Too Faced eyeshadow under here.
And I'm using Faith out of the Naked Urban Decay.
Okay.
And this is just like an everyday look for me. I like a little brown shadow. This makes my hooded eyes look less hooded. And it's just my shadow. And you don't have to do eyelashes because you already have beautiful eyelashes.
You always say smile and put it on so you're friendly. Ooh.
No, I say blush makes you look friendly. That is a quote from Bobbi Brown. I tend to agree with the gal. And I just put a little shadow in my eye. I think it makes the eye look bigger. Yeah, it opens the eye a little bit more.
Does my eye look open?
I'm just blending it out with the lighter color up on top so it's softer. I might add some lighter right in here. And then I like to go in with the eyeliner pencil. And this one is really soft, so if you get it on your eyelid, it just smears. And I just do in the eyelash line. Really defines the eye. Like I said, this is so soft. Now I like to come in and set my makeup.
Now I just put my lip gloss on. My friend Coco is a prankster, and after 25 years you'd think I'd know better. But watch to the end of the video and see how she tricked me into this. Since I don't have eyelash extensions, I use a primer. And I love the Lancome mascara primer. It is amazing. I've tried Dior, I tried Chanel, and I still come back to this one. And it's very conditioning. Okay, and then I just go in with my mascara. And I'm really loving the Caution Extreme mascara by Hourglass. I bend the mascara one a little bit. So you can really, it's easier to get up underneath your lashes. Yes, you are more glowy than me. Look, well.
I use this also when I don't wear makeup. I put my moisturizer on, then I put this on. It just makes the skin look pretty. Today I'm going to do a little doll lash and see if you guys like it. So I'm kind of just clumping my lashes together at the bottom for like a little, I call it a doll lash look.
What do you mean clumping?
See how I clump them? Instead of doing,
Oh, how do you do that?
I just take the end of the mascara brush and I just go back and forth on my eyelashes. And clump them together. And you can see, which most of us Bobbi Brown, ex-Bobbi Brown girls are all about blush.
I just remember the Bette Davis movie, and that always frightens me. The Sweet Baby Jane.
I like blush. I think she probably wore red lipstick as blush in that movie. So do you line your lips?
No, it's too much work.
I line mine. And I just line kind of on the bottom edge. So after lining my lips, I could either fill them in with lip liner and just do a gloss. But I have a favorite lipstick. It's always with me in my bag. You can tell it's my favorite.
What is it?
It is called Naked Ambition by Tom Ford. Ta-da.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh. See, I do my hair after I do my makeup. So I do my makeup first, then I do my hair because obviously.
That's why I don't wear headbands.
It does go back down. See?
Yeah.
Voila. You make it look like you have thick hair.
It takes work.
Does it?
Everything on me takes a lot of work.
I'm kind of more low maintenance when it comes to my makeup and my hair. Okay, so here we are at the end of our makeup, and Coco is definitely glowy, but I think I'm decently glowy. Oh, you're way glower here, look.
Look how glowing.
More, I look refreshed.
Yeah, we just added a little rose water spray. I can't believe how much the spray on your face made that makeup look so good. Let me spray your
Really?
chin. This is
Why do you always do that? You just
You
sprayed
know
my
I'm
mouth.
You know I'm coming in.
So apparently the spray really does make a big difference.
Especially in these areas. Wherever you have a pore or anything, it really just pushes the foundation right in. I'm just gonna push the foundation into the skin. This is a cat's toy now.
No, I'm gonna need that for my vacation. But just rose water that you get at the grocery store, put it in a spray bottle, spray it on your face. That's cheap, that's good.
She can do that for me.
Wow, that is so organized.
Well, I hope you guys got some tricks. Because sometimes you just like getting new
Okay.
stuff.
Why is it every time we video,
I
you
got-
have to breathe your funk on me?
Burp. You give me gas.
Oh, big legs. Hey, I could use that. Stop it. You're the one that can't be.
This is a cat's toy now.
No, I'm gonna need that for my vacation.
You.
Just give me yours and then go get a new one. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed our getting ready with us on a Sunday morning. See you next Sunday. Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys. So next month we're gonna take you guys on a field trip, and I'm really
Field
excited
trips.
about going on a field trip. Going on an adventure, and you get to go too. So if you like this video and you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the thumbs